What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find and use free stock photos and videos for your YouTube channel or any other creative project. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Starting with the number 1 site for free stock photos for YouTube, visit unsplash.com. The reason for choosing this site is that it is a dedicated platform for free stock photos. Here, you can find the best photos for your project, such as a YouTube video. In the search bar, search for any topic or theme, and thousands of free-to-use stock photos will show up on the results page. If you don't know where to begin, Unsplash makes it easy for you by providing a list of categories accessible from the tab bar located above. However, do note that while all the photos here are royalty-free, some of these photos can only be downloaded if you have the Unsplash Plus premium subscription. You are also encouraged to credit the original creators of the images you download. You can give a shout out to the uploader of the original image and view their profile to see their portfolio. In case you don't find the right stock photos at Unsplash, you can try Pexels.com. It's a completely free platform for finding high-quality stock photos and videos. On the homepage, search for any keyword in the search bar and thousands of results will pop up on the results page. If you need to find stock videos, simply switch from Photos to Videos in the drop-down menu located next to the search bar. Our next site for finding free stock photos and videos is FreePik.com. Just like the previous sites, FreePik has a large collection of free stock photos and videos. It also offers a premium subscription tier where you get access to the site's best and most exclusive content. Pixabay.com is a great alternative to FreePik. Pixabay gives users an even wider variety of free stock items besides photos and videos. Select the category of stock item you require from the drop-down menu and type in your preferred keyword in the search bar next to it. Thousands of stock items related to your category and keyword will pop up on the results page. Although Pixabay is completely free to use, it does feature sponsored photos from iStock at a discounted rate. Lastly, Mixkit.co is also a great platform for finding free stock videos for your creative projects. While Mixkit gives users access to thousands of free items, it also has a premium subscription that requires you to sign up for in order to get exclusive access to its top-tier content. Now, before you leave, know that while the majority of owners of these free stock images and videos do not require you to attribute them, it is always a good practice to give them credit for their work. With that said, some of these creators do require you to credit them in order to use their content for free. Therefore, to save yourself the hassle of determining whether you need to credit the creator or not, we strongly recommend you credit them all for their work. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.